Advantages and disadvantages of dark wooden floor. Dear friends, when you're choosing the color of your hardwood floors and you're deciding between light and dark wood floors and flooring treatments, there are a few things to keep in mind. As is the case with everything else, there are certain pros and cons to choosing dark hardwood floors over lighter variations. Pros of dark wooden floors. Elegant and timeless. Adds sophistication and a premium feel. Strong contrast. Highlights furniture and wall colors beautifully. Warm ambiance. Makes rooms feel cozy and inviting. Luxury appeal. Often seen as upscale, adding to home value. Versatility. Fits modern, rustic, or classic interiors. Conceals dark stains. Hides spills like coffee or wine better than light floors. Cons of dark wooden floors. Shows dust and dirt easily. Lighter debris, pet hair, and footprints stand out. Highlights scratches, especially noticeable if the wood has a glossy finish. Can make spaces look smaller. Dark tones absorb light, which may feel heavy in small or poorly lit rooms. More frequent cleaning. Requires regular sweeping, vacuuming to keep them looking polished. Heat sensitivity. In sunny rooms, dark floors may fade faster or show sun damage. Harder to match with dark furniture. Too much dark on dark can make interiors feel heavy if not balanced. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.